Ever pondered how Earth and Venus, often dubbed as cosmic twins, can be so similar yet so different? Both planets share an uncanny resemblance in size, with Venus being only about 5% smaller than Earth. They're also made up of roughly the same kind of rock, and both orbit our Sun within the habitable zone, otherwise known as the Goldilocks zone. Yet despite these striking similarities, the conditions on Venus and Earth couldn't be more different. Earth, as we all know, is teeming with life, a blue and green oasis in the vast cosmic desert. On the other hand, Venus, with its scorching surface temperatures and crushing atmospheric pressure, is anything but hospitable. It's a world shrouded in thick, toxic clouds of sulfuric acid, where even the hardiest of Earth's extremophiles would struggle to survive. Now, isn't it intriguing how two planets so alike in many aspects can end up with such contrasting environments? You might be wondering, what makes Earth and Venus so different? Well, let's start with the atmospheres. Earth has a breathable atmosphere composed primarily of nitrogen and oxygen. It's this balance that has allowed life as we know it to flourish. Venus, on the other hand, has a toxic atmosphere almost entirely made up of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. Not exactly hospitable for life as we know it. And then there's the matter of temperature. Earth has a relative moderate climate, thanks to its distance from the Sun and its protective atmosphere. But Venus? It's a different story altogether. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system due to a runaway greenhouse effect, with temperatures reaching an extreme 867 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's talk about magnetic fields. Earth has a magnetic field generated by the movement of molten iron within its core. This invisible shield protects us from harmful solar wind. Venus, however, lacks this protective shield, leaving it exposed to the full force of the Sun's radiation. Lastly, one of the most distinct features of Earth is the presence of liquid water. Our blue planet is the only one in the solar system known to support this essential ingredient for life. Venus, devoid of any water, remains a barren, inhospitable world. As you can see, even though Earth and Venus might seem like twins from afar, a closer look reveals two planets with incredibly unique stories. So, in this cosmic tale of two planets, what have we learned? We've seen that Earth and Venus, often dubbed as cosmic twins, share striking resemblances, yet their environments contrast sharply. Earth teeming with life and Venus a scorching hellscape. Each planet holds unique characteristics, Earth's life-sustaining atmosphere and Venus's thick, heat-trapping one. In the grand scale of the cosmos, Earth and Venus serve as a fascinating example of how two seemingly similar planets can have vastly different destinies.